Mike, Innovative Door. Do some Wayne Dalton cable repairs. This is hamburger. Hamburgers are flattened out like a pancake. They closed the door on something, so it got all tangled up. And this is fraying. And then you see that one from that. This one here got all kinked and bent on this commercial door here, so we're going to fix this door here. Some new cables, we're making them now right here, the right way, with a little ferrule that goes on and around the stop button there. So, yeah, here's for a minute. And then we're going to fix this door here. I might do a part 2 just to show you the cables, but broken cables on commercial garage doors, Innovative Door, 632-719-343. We'll come out and fix your cables. We got 93% chance of getting out there the same day for you. We do a lot of same-day service, so give us a call, 632-719-343. Check us out online, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We got lots of good ratings on there on Google, and it's our pleasure to serve you. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our commercial repair garage door video.